Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming essentials: power, network, and tools. You want a stable 12V DC supply and an Ethernet run. Once confirmed, power off everything. Next, mount the signal box in its final location and secure the base with screws so it won't move. Then connect ground and power leads loosely so you can test. Make sure to label input/output terminals now to avoid confusion when wiring sensors and outputs in the next step. Now wire the inputs and outputs methodically. You attach sensor leads to labeled inputs, keeping polarity correct and using ferrules for reliability. Once done, connect outputs through the relay or driver board and verify continuity with a multimeter. This prevents shorts. Then plug the Ethernet cable and power up briefly to confirm the box receives an IP via DHCP. If the box doesn't appear, power down and recheck the Ethernet link and LED. Finish by configuring the box through its web interface or serial console. You set a static IP for reliability and adjust debounce/timing settings so signals behave predictably. Then run a full functional test. Trigger each input and confirm outputs activate with correct timing. If something fails, isolate the problem. Check power rails with your multimeter, inspect solder joints and connectors, swap known good cables, and read the status LEDs for error codes. One key tip: restart after each fix to verify the change.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.